Okay, so today children I am going to show you a weighing balance, how it has been used. Actually this is not exactly the weighing balance. This is a small activity where we have done it with our shirt hanger. What is this? Our shirt hanger, and this is that what is that? We use that paper cups, no? That one we have just tied, and we have this threads hanging on the both the sides. When you make this, no children, you have to be very cautious that both the cups of same length. Both the cups must be of same length. Only then it will be giving you correct measures. So when you hold it in the center, see both the cups are standing in a straight one. So like this you can make it at home. So what is that is, you can take your shirt hanging stand from your house, and you can use two paper cups. You can use two paper cups, and you can use some threads and to hang it on the both the sides so that you can see make it like this. This you can also do it, and you can also play with this at home. Okay. Now I'll tell you how we are going to use this hangings. This as our physical balance. Okay. So I'm going to take a small chalk. Okay. Children, listen here. See, there are three things in this. In how heavy lesson, there are three important keywords. We are going how heavy. Okay. The first one is heavier. The word is heavier and lighter, and the next word is equal to, or you can also say as heaviest. These are the keywords which we will be using in this lesson. Okay, children. Now heavier. Okay. Let me explain with you with a small example. Okay, children. In one side I am putting this pen inside. Okay. The other side I am putting this duster. Look at this duster. I am just putting this duster. See children, what is happening? What is happening? Duster is almost gone down. The duster is almost gone down. The reason is the pen has gone up. The pen has gone up. So, which is the lighter here? The pen. The pen is the lighter object, and the duster is almost down. So, this is our heavier objects. You got it? So, what I am trying to say is, see, when I am placing it, I am just putting one more chalk and few other pens also inside. We'll have 2 or 3 pens together, so it will be with lots of clarity. Okay. So children, see, I have got a scale and few pens. I'm just dropping it inside, and this box is seen to be empty box. This box is an empty box, so it will be becoming lighter. And look at this cup; it has gone up. This has gone up, and the heavier cup has gone down. Heavier cup. So children, either we are going to try. I am going to put this bigger pen inside. Okay, and a small light scale. So inside, look here, it has gone down. The pen has gone down. The scale has gone up. Now I'm going to balance it. I'm going to balance it. So the pen is heavier. The pen is heavier than the scale. The pen is heavier than the scale. Now I'm going to take this pen outside, and I'm going to put 2 scales. Look at this, both are equal. Both are equal. So as equal to, this scale is equal to this scale. This scale is equal to this scale. And as heavy as, this both scales are as heavy as in this thing. Did you notice children? 2 scales, no? So both have been in the same place. See, it is in the same. Now I am going to take the lighter ones. Okay. Now I am going to use 2 scales and 1 pen. Okay. So I am just going to put this pen and the other side scales, and I am going to use 1 big pen also. Now look at here. This scale has gone down and this pen has gone yes. So the scale is like this. This 2 scales, and the pen is also the same thing. Did you notice that? Yes, both are of same weight. Okay. So if I am taking 1 scale, the pen goes scale is lighter than the pen. So lighter than the pen. Okay. So when this heavier objects, we use the word heavier. The pen is heavier than the scale. And when both the scales we use it on the same box, we call it as equal to. We call it as equal to. Okay children, see you in the next video. Bye.